There's something about trying new foods and experiencing different cultures that gives life purpose. So I took a trip to Peru to see what I could find. In this video, I try cuy, that's guinea pig in English, and here, this cute pet rodent is food. Trying guinea pig for the first time. So let's see what guinea pig tastes like. Judging from my facial expression, my first thought was how indescribable this was. There's not much meat like a chicken neck, it's soft like chicken thigh, and the taste is very interesting with nothing to compare it to. This oven-baked cuy is a delicacy I would try only once. I don't know what to describe this as. It's okay though. Maybe I will try fried cuy next, who knows.